Hey guys, it's Glen Murray. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're brand new here, hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up if you like the content. This is going to be my, what's it called? Buyer click system review by Frank Andres. I believe that's how you say his name. He's a traffic guy. He's been around the traffic mailer scene for a while. He's also hitting the leaderboards on a lot of affiliate programs with his traffic source. So what he's done is he's actually fine-tuned it into not just sending traffic to or offers to cold traffic. He's actually sending offers to people that are already buyers, which is really cool. And you get to get access to his buyers. That's what it's all about. So this product is a $17.97 product. I think there's no deal if you scroll off. It's just going to be $17.97. There's not a downsell on it. And what you get with that is you get 1,000 clicks. So right away you get delivered 1,000 guaranteed buyer clicks to your offer that aren't just clicks or verified buyers who have already made a purchase from us. So this is his buyers list. Every email marketer has a buyers list. We know who our buyers are. We separate them, we segment them so that we know that we're going to send really hot offers to those buyers, and that way we get more sales. That's what it's all about. So what do you see he's throwing together in this deal? So you also get a click tracking system. You get a member prize pool. So there's prizes in there. There's $1 million tool. So this is, I don't know exactly what this is. It's $1 million inventory tool. Oh, I think it's a whole bunch of PLR stuff. I haven't looked at this yet. I just got notified of it this morning by Paula, the JV thing. So I'm going to dive into it later on today. I'm going to go pick it up, of course, because I'm going to just send some traffic at it. But I'm pretty sure, because like I said, like if you see, this guy is just killing it on the leaderboards. Like this is you can see the red here. This is where he's on the leaderboards. That means he's making like 200 or 300 sales for each product that launches. So this guy has got buying traffic, definitely. So it's not like it's yeah. There's more down here. There's 5,500 total units of sales. That's up with what I've sold on different platforms. So that's a lot of. Actually, that's more. I think I'm only at about 3,000 on Warrior Plus there, and I've sold a lot of products on Warrior Plus. Now, so you get $1,000 guaranteed buyer clicks. It's buyer traffic, so that's what you want. And then you get the opportunity. The upsells are you can buy more traffic, and you can also get into pay-per-click traffic, which means they don't even have to buy it. They just have to click on something and register, like give an email or something, and you earn money. And pay-per-click can pay really well. It's not just a couple of bucks. Some pay-per-click pays up to $100 per person that submits their email. So you've got two systems you can get through this. So it's pretty valuable thing. So it's $18. I would definitely, if you're struggling with getting traffic, like especially if you're doing what I do is I get a lot of free traffic from Instagram and YouTube. Now, if you're struggling to get traffic to your offer and you're just getting started and you want to have some results to share with people, this is probably going to be a great product to get into it. Now, what I'm going to do as a bonus for this, I'm going to give you my personal funnel, the one that I use, that I make sales every single day. Like every single day, I make multiple sales with this funnel, and I'm going to give that to you. So it'll be another funnel. You could actually plug it into this system and send traffic to that funnel and get sales. So that's what it is. It's the buyer click system. So definitely pick it up. $18. It's a no-brainer, guys. And definitely go. And if you don't have an offer yet, reach out to me, message me, say I don't even know what offer to put on, but he's going to tell you the offers. I think he actually has. What I got from the JV page is that he actually has pre-set up campaigns already in there for you. So if you want to send traffic at his offers that he's set up for you, you can just do that, or you can send it to any offer that you're struggling that you want to get going on. All right, guys, that's it. It's a really simple review, guys. It's just about traffic. It's a no-brainer, and for $18, you can't even buy a solo ad for $18 for 1,000 clicks. Like seriously, you're looking at, it would cost you, it's 40 cents a click for 1,000. So you'd be looking at about $400 for 1,000 clicks. So for $18, it's absolute no brainer. That's why I'm picking up later on today. But I gotta run out. I gotta do hot lunch at school. I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna come back and get it. And I will do another review tomorrow from inside. I'll do it definitely inside. But go grab it. It's launching right now. It's out there. I'll put a link below for it. And then when you get it in your back office where you access it, there'll be access bonuses, and I'll put that how you'll be able to get my high converting funnel. All right, guys, that's it. Make sure you hit a subscribe, like. This has been my buyer click system by Frank Andres, and have a good day. I will see you on the next one.